In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add row and column totals in Tableau. If you're working with data in Tableau and want to see how different segments sum up across various dimensions, adding row and column totals is an incredibly useful feature. Let's delve into how you can efficiently display these totals to better understand your data set. To get started, open up the Tableau public app. Once you have it open, navigate to the worksheet where you want to visualize your data with totals. It's crucial to have your data set up properly here, as this lays the groundwork for the rest of the process. Next, you'll want to drag the region dimension to the column shelf at the top of your screen. This move will set up your data to be organized by the different regions you have, whether that's by country, state, or any other regional division you're working with. Following this, take the category dimension and drag it to the rows shelf. By placing category here, you're arranging your data so each row corresponds to a specific category, like product types or services, enabling a clearer look at how each region performs in these areas. Now we'll focus on the key metric, sales. Drag the sales measure to the text shelf. This step will populate your table with the sales figures for each regional and category intersection, effectively creating a cross-tab you can easily analyze and comprehend. With your data visually laid out in the worksheet, it's time to add in the totals. At the top of your Tableau interface, find the Analysis menu and click on it. Hover your cursor over Totals, which will present you with a list of options. Let's begin by adding row grand totals. Select Show Row Grand Totals, which will add a total to the right side of your visualization, showing you the sum of sales for each category across all regions. To see the total sales per region, you'll want to add column grand totals as well. Go back to the Analysis menu, hover over Totals, and choose Show Column Grand Totals. This action places the totals for each region at the bottom of your table, offering a comprehensive view of sales summed up across all categories. For more flexibility, you have the option to display totals in different positions. You can choose Add Row Total to Left, displaying the totals on the left side rather than the default right side. Similarly, Columns Total to Top allows you to place your column totals at the top of the visualization. This can be useful depending on the layout that best suits your data storytelling. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can add both row and column totals to your Tableau visualizations, making it easier to interpret your data's summary statistics at a glance. This feature is both straightforward and incredibly powerful for analyzing your data in a more holistic manner. Thanks for watching, and happy data exploring.